Hello there, tech enthusiasts and on-the-go folks. Welcome back to Product Critique, your one-stop destination for in-depth reviews of the latest gadgets and gear. I'm your host, and today we've got a handy addition for your tech arsenal, the Lorenzeri External DVD Drive. In this video, we'll be exploring all the features and functionalities that make this external DVD drive a versatile companion for your computing needs. So, let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about versatility. The Lorenzeri External DVD Drive is not your ordinary disc player. It's a multi-talented device that can be a CD, DVD burner, writer, player, reader, or ripper. Whether you need to play or burn music or movies, back up important files, or transfer data, this drive has you covered. It's perfect for tasks like copying photos, reading X-rays on discs, or ripping DVDs to your Apple MacBook Air. And here's the best part. It's a plug-and-play device compatible with a wide range of operating systems and laptop models. From Windows 98 to Windows 10, various versions of Mac OS, Linux, and more, it's got you covered. Whether you're rocking a MacBook Pro, Asus gaming laptop, Apple MacBook Air, iMac, or Mac Mini, this external DVD drive is your reliable companion. Speed matters, and the Lorenzeri External DVD Drive doesn't disappoint. It's compatible with USB 3.0 and even supports USB 2.0 and 1.0. This means you can enjoy high-speed data transmission of up to 5 gigabits per second. Whether you're reading or writing DVDs or CDs, you'll experience smooth, lag-free performance. No more stuttering, noisy disc spinning, or jammed discs. Now, let's talk about design. This external DVD drive is not just functional. It's well designed for your convenience. It's compact and lightweight, making it easy to carry wherever you go. With anti-skid rubber on the bottom, it stays put while it's in use. The brushed texture shell adds a touch of style, and the embedded USB cable slot keeps things tidy. Plus, it features dual USB-A and USB-C connectors, ensuring compatibility with various devices. And, for those moments when you need extra clearance for your discs, this drive provides it, minimizing the risk of ruined discs due to label thickness. Before we move on, it's important to note a few compatibility details. While this external DVD drive works with a wide range of systems and laptops, it doesn't support TV, car, Blu-ray, projector, tablet, smartphone, Chromebook, Surface Pro, or Ubuntu OS. But don't worry, we've got some workarounds. If you're using a Chromebook or Ubuntu, you can make it work. For Chromebook, simply head to the Chrome store and download the VLC app along with the Chrome OS driver. For Ubuntu, download VLC Media Player from the Ubuntu software store and use it to open discs. Now, if you want to project your movies directly, this drive won't work when connected to a projector. However, you can connect your computer to the projector and have the DVD player connected to your computer. This way, you'll be able to project your movies onto any surface. Speaking of discs, this external DVD drive is incredibly versatile when it comes to reading and writing. It's compatible with a wide range of disc types, including CD-ROM, CDR, CD plus or minus RW, DVD-ROM, DVD-R, DVD plus or minus RW, DVD-RDL, and VCD-ROM discs. The extra clearance inside the disc bay ensures that even those extra thick labeled discs won't cause any issues. In case you ever encounter any issues, whether you need a return or a replacement, the Lorenzeri team is there to make it right and ensure your satisfaction. And that, my friends, wraps up our review of the Lorenzeri External DVD Drive. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth product reviews and tech insights. If you've used this external DVD drive before or have any questions, feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from our community. Thanks for joining us today, and until next time, I'm your host, signing off from Product Critique.